I bought two 200-watt UFO LED lights off of Amazon, and let's unbox them and see how bright they are. Instructions. Fillet Keeper, that's the brand. Here it is. Nice big beautiful LED circle light. Here's one. Hardware kit, couple hooks, couple brackets, one for each light, and the other UFO light. And that's it. These are definitely built very well. Let's plug them in and see how bright they are. It's got a little set screw on the back. We have to loosen it. In order to screw this clip in there. Now that this piece is screwed on there, we could screw the set screw back in. Or here's the other way, is to mount this bracket onto the light using these little machine screws that they give you. They even give you a supplied Allen wrench. So we have one way to mount it, and we have another way to mount it with the hook. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Plug it in and see how bright it is. Whoa, that's bright. That's definitely gonna light up my shop.